Okay guys, have a nice day to all of you. Welcome back in our YouTube channel, Autofix Garage. Today's video episode, we have Mitsubishi Lancer 2004 model. We're going to replace the fuel filter. So we will pull up the fuel lid opener here. And we will open the fuel filler cap so that the pressure will release before we remove the fuel filter. We have to remove this rear passenger seat. Okay. Okay guys, so we'll use Phillips screw to remove the mounting screw board of our fuel pump. Okay, we'll disconnect the connector of our fuel pump. We will use mechanical plier to remove this clamp of our return hose. Then next, we'll remove this fuel hose for our fuel supply. Okay. Then next, we'll use this box wrench 8 mm to remove this mounting nut of our fuel filter together the integrated with fuel pump. So that we can easily remove the mounting nut of our fuel pump. Okay guys, so this is our fuel filter. This is our part number MR552781. Okay, so we'll open. Okay, this is the one. The new fuel filter. So before that, we have to dismantle our fuel pump. Disconnect the harness connector of fuel pump motor. Okay. Guys, so all parts of our fuel filter we have to transfer here in our new fuel filter. Okay. The o-ring must be returned back. Okay. Okay, the connector. Okay, the rubber, we have to return the back also, so that it will not the fuel will not goes out from our fuel tank. Okay, then we will install our fuel pump. Okay, okay guys, before we install our fuel filter or the fuel pump, we have to clean the surface of our fuel tank. It's dusty. Okay guys, so before we put the cover, we have to start our engine. Then we will check if there's a fuel leak from the fuel filter. Okay, okay guys, so ready to start our engine. Okay, we'll check if there's fuel leak from our fuel pump to the filter. Okay, so there's no fuel leak. See you in next video episode. Thank you and God bless everyone.